in the properties side, I did not offer the upper right selection piece. Most of these all take up more space than what is actually available here to do stuff. I may try to finagle some, but what you can do, which is a little bit different than the contacts side, is because each of these different sections have their own set of tabs now. If there's, like for projects, if I go into projects and I click on projects here, if I wanted that expenses tab that I just added, if I want it to be, up at the top, it'll put it over here on the far left. In this case, it'll be the first tab that's available. Or if I want it down, one, I can certainly do that. Put it wherever you want. If there's certain things you just don't need, you don't want to show in there, you can uncheck it and be from the list. But you'll see that I'm currently showing the projects tab area. So the projects tabs show here, and then it'll rearrange it. Now my expense is over here instead of at the end. If I change to a different section, if I go into my listings section and I go into that gear, I'm now seeing the listings tab. So you rearrange these based off of what tab is showing in the system. And if there's any of these you don't want, don't need, don't like, estimated proceeds, maybe some that people don't use, or the offers or whatever, listing offers. If you don't want to use that section in the software, you can take them off and it'll be removed as a tab. You won't see it. You can always come back in and re-add it, reapply it. And this is per user. So each user gets their own setup if you've got multiple users in your account. Some of your people may only need one or two tabs. That's all they need. You don't want to confuse them with anything. Turn off everything else. So that is that.